My name is Leonardo Ramos. My bucket list: if I visit the mountain this winter, I will see snow for the first time. A photo album will be had by me if the mountain is visited in winter. My wife told my dad she didn't know snow either. If I jump out of a waterfall, I will feel an incredible rush of adrenaline. A waterfall will be jumped of by. Or if I go to the jungle, my friend Diego Tudor, my dad had jumped off a waterfall. If I save enough money, I will travel to Europe next summer. A trip to Europe is even planned by me if enough money is saved. Selena told my dad I would go to Europe with 1 million pesos. If I were over my friend, I will go Scandinavia next year. Scandinavia will be taken by many beginners every summer. My cousin told my daddy was terrified before his friend Scandinavia jumped. English is beloved by many students around the world. English will be learned by me if I study every day. My teacher said I needed to practice more to learn to speak English fluently. Thank you.